Welcome back to English Vocabulary Channel. Today's new word is valiant. The meaning of the word valiant is showing courage or determination. It's used to describe people or actions that show heroic strength, especially when standing up for something or someone. The pronunciation of the word valiant is nut. Some examples of the word valiant in examples are: he made a valiant attempt to fix the leaking pipe before the plumber arrived. She showed valiant determination in completing her research paper ahead of the deadline. 3. Though the startup failed, the founder's valiant attempts to innovate were widely admired. 4. The firefighters made a valiant rescue in the midst of the blazing fire. 5. In The Lord of the Rings, Sam's valiant loyalty to Frodo is one of the most touching parts of the story. You will find these examples in the description box below. You might ask, isn't valiant the same as brave? Yes, but valiant often suggests a noble purpose or sacrifice, and it sounds a bit more formal or poetic. Quick etymology. Did you know? Valiant comes from the Latin word valere, meaning to be strong or worthy. So when you describe someone as valiant, you're recognizing their inner strength and honor. Synonyms of the word valiant are brave, gallant, heroic, intrepid. Mini vocabulary challenge. Use valiant in a sentence and post it in the comments. Try using it in a story or describe a real person you admire. Best entries get a shout out in the next video. Remember, being valiant doesn't always mean fighting dragons or saving lives. Sometimes, it's having the courage to speak up for what's right. Admit a mistake. Face your fears. Keep going when things are tough. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss your daily word upgrade.